Alright, y'all. I was supposed to vlog like about a week and a half ago. Excuse me. I was supposed to show you all pop-up shop that I went to for a friend of mine and some of the items that I bought there, which I'll do a haul on that. But it was cute. She does a lot of vintage. She's does a lot of 90s stuff. And but I think she's gonna start getting more into 2000s. But I think 90s is like her kick. That's the one that she really likes. Also, she's a wardrobe stylist. She's done a few movies and some celebrities, some that are from YouTube that I've seen and done podcasts, video podcasts, and so yeah, she's done. The last movie she did was part of, I think it's called Big 50. That was on BET, and that was her big major one that she was a part of. I was so proud of her. So yeah, so today what I'm gonna do. Today I'm going to go to Dollar Tree, and we didn't do, myself and my daughter did not do our Christmas pictures. We didn't do any last year. What we did was, well, we did. No, it wasn't. It was an impromptu pictures that we did for New Year's. And I didn't see those cards out. That's bad. That's real bad. So maybe I'll send that one and these out. So let's just get some decorations. I'm gonna set up for like a New Year's picture to send out to people. Oh yeah, that's pretty much it. I was gonna do Walmart. I'm like, hold up, Dollar Tree's closer and cheaper, and I could just throw it away right after that. I don't need that much. I'm gonna do that and run a few errands. And she has the doctor's appointment today. And that's it. So I might vlog some of it. I think I'm gonna vlog the Dollar Tree one, but everybody know what Dollar Tree is at. But still, every Dollar Tree is different. And my Dollar Tree, they're about to change locations because this is a small location that they're in now, but they're about to go to a bigger one. I'm sorry, excuse me. That is so rude. Yeah, that's it. So I see y'all with some dress and hair thing. Got my hair done. It's wrapped up right now. And then we'll go from there. Alright. Oh! And I have some clothes coming that I ordered from ThreadUp. I don't know if y'all know, but that's one of my favorite places. And I've ordered many a times here, and I haven't did a haul and clothes. Sometimes I may put the clothes on the floor and see, hey, look what I bought. But this time, I plan to vlog and show you exactly what I'm gonna wear. So I will talk to you then. Alrighty, bye. Okay, so Dollar Tree was a bust. Horrible. So I ended up going to Target to get the New Year's stuff that I wanted to get to set up my backdrop. And got a few other things I needed, but in the long haul. Did I say in the long haul? Y'all know what I mean. In short, I got what I needed. Anyway, so, and oh gosh, that Dollar Tree, when I say, I think Dollar Tree by my house, they're getting ready to move to a bigger location. But that is no excuse to be having the raggiest looking thing. It ain't never been that raggedy. It was always small, but it always had everything you needed in there. Today was not the day. I mean, it's look bare, but then also that's the thing that's going across the world. Shortage of so many things. My package from ThreadUp did come, so it came a lot earlier than I thought. So it's 4 items in there. The rest of the stuff is coming from different locations. So ThreadUp has about maybe 3 or 4 locations. So the first location that it came from was from in Pennsylvania. it's only about 3 states north of me. So, and Pennsylvania ain't far from me anyway. That one came from Pennsylvania. The second package is coming from Arizona, and then the third package I think is coming from Georgia, and this is close to like Atlanta area. So I'm gonna try on those items later on. If not today, it will be this week, so you all can see a little haul of what I do. I'm gonna try to do a real haul, trying on stuff and showing y'all, because I'll just show pictures, as I said in the last video, show the pictures of the clothes, but not really try it on. So I'm excited. All right, that's it.
I'm Silver. Gold blows up their balloons, and Silver blow up their balloons. Oh boy, I'm Silver. I get to blow up everything that's stretch it first.
Keep going. Blow, 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 blow. Ooh. Take a breath. Now blow. Keep going. Now take a breath. So it's like this. You take a deep breath. Again.
Oh, okay, now I got it.
Oh, wait. Sorry.
Oh.
Keep going. That's okay if you can't. You can help me with other things, okay? That's okay. That's okay.
Wait, I can put them on the floor,
Yes.
and I can give them to you. Balloon, a balloon. 3 for you and 3 for me. Wait, what about the last balloon?
So this is best as I could do.
Oh my!
With it. So I think it'll be
Oh
better.
my gosh!
And here comes the little one. So I'm gonna put this.
Another silver. Wait, Mom. A balloon because we have 2.
I mean, you can see all that.
You're not talking to me.
No, I'm not.
Why?
I'm talking to the camera.
Why are you talking to the camera? I'm talking to the Another silver.
No, I'm just on the camera, okay?
So,
See?
what are we?
Oh, yeah. We're gonna hold off on this one, okay?
Are we gonna put it right there?
You can do that. But not for right now, okay?
Okay.
So, let me steam my dress, and then we can take pictures. Okay?
Oh, you're gonna wear that dress?
Yes, this
Bam, bam, bam. This is my dress.
Yes, yes, I love it. This is my dress. It was from ThredUp, but the brand is
Yeah.
Zara. I know we love a good Zara. So I guess the pictures turned out to be a success. I look good though, don't I? I'm bloated right here, but that's all it is, just bloated. This is the dress. I steamed it. But anyway, so pictures for somebody with a low budget. Well, I actually had a budget. I had a good budget I could have used, but I chose to do it at home myself. And it'll turn out the way it's gonna turn out. I'll do a little filter on it with the background and stuff, but nobody can really tell. I probably won't. So I'm gonna post those pictures on New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. So I'll do that and go from there. And I'll send out my pictures to family and friends.